Welcome. This is the fourth video thesis preparation video guide, and we will be discussing mainly on writing conventions, and main focus is on units of measure, numbers, elliptical marks, and etc. When it comes to units, it is required to use internationally recognized units of measure, preferably SI ones. Numbers before the measurement units should not be spelled out, even if they are below 100, unless they are the first word of sentences or the number 1. And there should be a space between a figure and the unit of measure. Next subheading, numbers. All integers less than 10 should be spelled out unless they are attached to units of measure such as 5 kilograms. Use figures for the number 10 or more than 10. If a sentence begins with a number, write the number in words or change the order of the sentence. Use numerals for a series of figures. For an example, you can write in this manner. For the research, we have used 10 books, 5 files, 3 pens, likewise. Next subheading is elliptical marks. Writers use the ellipsis mark to show an omission from quoted material. Ellipses consist of 3 space full stops. When an ellipsis comes at the end of a sentence, it appears as 4 full stops. One full stop marks the end of the sentence, and the other 3 full stops signal the omission. Next is use of square brackets. Within direct quotations, brackets are used to enclose any explanatory note inserted by the thesis writer. Student should use SIC within square brackets to indicate a certain doubt as to the meaning of factual error. It simply means thus or yes, that is what was written in the original. It is used in quotations to show that the original is being faithfully reproduced, even though it is incorrect or seems to be so. However, errors which are obviously typographical, such as spelling slips, should be corrected as a matter of professional courtesy. Square brackets should also be used to show you have altered capitalization within a sentence. Square brackets alert the reader to the fact that the original author had some words in the same sentence before those quoted and did not intend the statement to stand alone. Next, use of symbol to show percentage. Symbol of percentage mark may be used in place of word percent. Example, 25 and percentage mark, and typed without a space before it. If the student prefers to write 25 and the percent in words in full, then consistency must be maintained throughout the thesis. In tables, the abbreviation PCT may be used at the head of a column to mean percent. With that, we will be concluding the presentation and wish you all the very best. for your thesis writing endeavor.